Hi guys, welcome back to South Asia Tech. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can add a filterable gallery in your WordPress page using WPBakery page builder and mega add-ons for WPBakery plugin. To add this gallery in your page, first you need to log in to the dashboard. Now once you successfully logged into your site, hover over plugins and click on add new. Search mega add-ons. Install mega add-ons for WPBakery page builder. And then activate the plugin. Now once you activate the plugin, go back to dashboard. Before moving further, please like, share and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Now go to pages, add new page, add page title, and publish the page. Now click on WPBakery page builder button and then click on backend editor. Remove first row, click on add element. You can see mega add-ons section, click on it. In last you can see filterable gallery, select it. Now here you can change the number to display in row. I'll select 3. Now go to filterable controls, enable filter. Now change the filters. I am selecting gravity, length, reflex. Now save changes. Now click on this plus button, add gallery list. Now add control name that will show in tags. I am adding gravity. Now add image, click on set image, scroll down, remove this caption for now and save changes. Now duplicate this, click on plus icon and remove this image and add a new image. Now save changes, duplicate it once more, change image and control name, save changes, duplicate it again, change image, set image, save changes, duplicate. Now change control name and image, leave this name, save changes, duplicate. Now here change control name and image, save changes, duplicate 2 times and just change images. Click on set image and save change. Now preview the page Now here you can see a filterable gallery in your page. Now click on graffiti. You can see the graffiti images appear. Click on lens and reflex. You can see the filter working well. Now we will add a hover text. For this, go back to editor, edit and add hover text. Save changes, add text in second image, save changes and preview the changes. Now you can see text appears on your image. Now you can see these images are not showing equal to these images. For this, go back to editor, edit the parent section of filterable gallery. Now from image height, add 200. Now save changes and preview the gallery. Now here you can see all images are showing equally. Now go back to editor, edit this image, scroll down and from lightbox button select lightbox and save changes. Preview again. Now you can see this search button. When you click on it, this image will appear like that. Change this setting for all these images. That's how you can add filterable gallery in your page using WPBakery page builder and mega add-ons for WPBakery plugin. Hope you learned something from this video. If so, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.